Hello Lee, hello Joe, this is Jeff the Garage Guy. I just wanted to show you the design, what I'm working on here. Um, Here's basically the concept I've come up with. So I want to get your input on a couple of things, materials and concept. So for the design, what I've done, rather than go 12 feet long into the corner and then 8 foot this way, um, technically I've taken up some of your storage space. There's a reason for this, or your display area. I've learned some time ago, I took this advice for some of the trade shows that I do. Never have a corner in a display. Somebody told me that, and I've always designed my displays with these angled corners, and it's always worked for me. I guess it's just a mental thing. You put things in towards the corner and they tend to get ignored. So that's what I've come up with on the design. If you guys don't like that, certainly I can design these straight into the corner. And technically you'll have more wall space, but you also have more slat wall material cost too. So that's my concept. Let's take a look here at the 3D rendering. What I want to do, what we have left over is a foot here and a foot here based on the panel sizes. So we have that extra foot here, which is good or bad depending on how you look at it. One thing I would do in my build when I build this is put an angle here on this bottom piece, so when you come around the corner you don't trip over that. If I do that in the design, it kind of messed up the texture. The software didn't like it. So what we have here on the shelf is called raised deck flooring. I also you may want to consider putting that in this area too, so it creates a separate little room. It's fairly inexpensive. I buy this stuff practically by the truckload, so it's something I can put in the design and really give a separation of space between here and here. It's just a floating floor. It's just going to sit there, so when you move the display you can pick it up and just take it with you. So that's what I have there. Let me go over back to this. I'm waiting to hear back about some pricing. This is called heavy metal gray slat wall, and what they're going to do is design it for me. So this, I don't know what you want to call this design, but this riveted type design here will carry through the whole section, so it's not broken up like it is in my picture. So they're pricing that out for me. I'm just waiting to hear back. The company I decided to work with is called AAA Displays. You may want to check out their website. They have a lot of cool stuff, anywhere from bricks to that heavy metal they call it, to they even have tire tread, but this asphalt one's kind of neat. I think that's pretty cool. That might fit what you guys are doing. They have diamond plate, rustic, silver, corrugated metal. It's all slat wall. It all works the same. It's pretty neat. So if you want to check out their website and you can look at their different slat walls, then you may pick something different. I don't know. For the shelves, let's go back to the picture. For the bottom shelf, this raised deck here, I have a picture here from my website where I've used it. Kind of the same concept. You can see to the right side of this picture, these stairs have the inset tan in this situation race deck. It's really neat. It stays really clean. The dust kind of just settles in. Vacuum it out once or twice a year, maybe never, and you always have a really clean looking shelf. So I think it's a really great product, and like I said, we could do this on the floor too. You could not even make the decision. I could lay it out for you that day and you can decide, because I have plenty of it. So that's where I'm at so far. Let me know what you think about this diagonal corner, because I can get rid of this in my design if you want. But I've learned that you just don't do corners in displays because things get lost in corners. So that's why I did the diagonal. I look forward to hearing back from you guys, and I'll be working on pricing here today, and you'll get some emails following this. Thanks.